I talk to Thanapol?
Let me check for you. I'm putting you on hold.
Okay, I will hold.
Thank you for holding, Mr. Limkit. Thanapol is out the office. Can I take a message?
Yes, please. Can I ask Thanapol to call me?
Can I take your number?
Yes, it is 061 235 6630.
Can I check that? 061235660.
That's right.
Thank you. May I tell him why you are calling?
Yes, I am calling about the meeting.
Thank you. I will leave a message for him.